Lots of traders look at a $100 account and see a literal casino chip. They figure, let's throw it on the table and see if we can flip it to $1,000 by Friday. If you're graduating from a $50,000 demo account, you get used to brushing off $50 or $100 swings. But apply those exact same swings to a live $100 balance, and they're fatal. Before you even have time to react to a bad setup, your broker's margin call kicks in. They'll liquidate your position and instantly close the trade to cut or to deficit. Success on a $100 account depends entirely on your survival time. You have to prioritize staying in the game over chasing the largest possible profit per trade. Keeping that $100 alive proves you have the iron discipline required to handle larger capital later. Treat it like a $100,000 seed, and you are actually training for the real thing. This animated diagram shows exactly why scale dictates your survival. That massive weight pressing down is a standard lot, or 1.00. In currency terms, that represents 100,000 units, making every single pip the market moves worth roughly $10. If the market twitches just 10 pips in the wrong direction, that $10 weight drops and completely crushes your entire balance. You're wiped out. So let's step down to an intermediate size, the mini lot, or 0.10. Now you're only risking $1 per pip. But relative to your equity, the pressure is still too high. A perfectly normal 20-pip move against you eats up 20% of your account. Take 3 bad trades in a row, and you're in a 60% drawdown. Just to climb back to break even, you now need to generate a towering 150% gain on your remaining funds. With zero margin for error, using standard or mini lots on a small balance mathematically guarantees failure over a long enough series of trades. The only viable option for a $100 balance is the micro lot, written as 0.01. This is your mathematical floor, reducing your exposure down to just 10 cents per pip. This size gives you vital breathing room. If the market swings 20 pips against you now, you've only lost $2. It stings, but you stay in the game. Which brings us to the strict 1% rule. On a $100 budget, 1% is a hard, unyielding risk cap of exactly $1 per trade. When you run the numbers, this creates a tight constraint. At 10 cents a pip, keeping your risk to a single dollar means your stop loss can never exceed a 10-pip distance from your entry. The 0.01 microlot is the only instrument small enough to respect the 1% limit on such low capital. But even at this scale, invisible mechanics are working against you. The first is the spread, which is the tiny fee your broker charges just to open the position. Looking back at our ruler, if you face a standard 2-pip spread, that instantly consumes 20% of your 10-pip risk allowance before the market even moves an inch. The second trap is the illusion of offshore leverage. Brokers will offer you 1 to 500 leverage, tempting you to open positions far larger than your balance dictates. If you use that leverage to open half a standard lot, every pip is suddenly worth $5. Add your 2-pick spread to a 10-pip market fluctuation, and you're instantly out $60. The definitive rule for small accounts is simple. Leverage should only be used to lower the margin required to hold your microlot. Never use it to inflate your position size past that $1 risk cap. The 10-pip constraint of a microlot will choke you out if you trade highly volatile pairs, like the British pound against the Japanese yen, or if your strategy demands a wider 30 to 50 pip stop loss. To solve this, you need the cent account. Instead of viewing your $100 as dollars, this structure shatters your balance and measures it as 10,000 cents. The math becomes microscopic. A 0.01 lot here is 1/100th the size of a standard microlot, dropping your pip value all the way down to 1/10 of a cent. This gives you immense freedom. As you can see, you can now execute a massive 100 pip stop loss, and because of the reduced pip value, you still only risk exactly 1% of your total balance. By removing the pressure of the 10 cent per pip floor, the cent account acts as an elite training ground for advanced position sizing and precise swing trading. Ultimately, success means shifting your focus away from the dollar amounts. The only metric that actually matters is your risk-to-reward ratio, which simply compares what you risk on a trade against what you stand to gain. Consistently generating a 5% monthly gain while limiting your drawdown to 2% is a professional-grade metric. Investors prioritize stability over the $5 total. Start a trading journal. Track your setups, log your pips, and record your percentage gains while ignoring the monetary value completely. Mastering microvot math ends the gambling cycle. Prove your discipline, and that $100 account becomes the legitimate foundation for larger-scale capital.